Today we're going to learn how to apply the duotone effect or gradient map effect to an image using only CSS. I'm Gabriel Molter and let's get started. To create the effect, we're going to take advantage of the Mix Blend Mode CSS property. That property just sets how the element's going to blend with its parent element or its background. It is a little bit unknown, I don't see that being used very often. The only browser it doesn't work on is Internet Explorer, but if you're not building a legacy system, you shouldn't worry too much about that. So we're starting with the basic HTML structure and we're going to have the effect happening on the main element. That's why it has the duotone ID. Jumping into our CSS, first thing we're going to do is add CSS to the body and the header elements. That way the page will look a bit nicer. Next thing we do is add the duotone ID. Here we have 4 properties, but you only actually need 2, the background image and the position. For this element, the position needs to be explicitly set, even if it's just relative. That is to allow us to use position absolute on both before and after pseudo elements. The goal here is to make them cover the whole space from their parent element. And we can achieve that by setting top and left to 0 on the pseudo elements, and also width and height to 100%. Now, if we go to the inspector to check, we're going to see that both before and after are taking up the whole space, exactly like they should. For this last part now, just use the colors you're going to use for the effect. Create 2 rules, one for the before and one for the after. The before is going to control the lighter tones of your image. So on that one, just set a background color that's going to be applied over the lighter tones and set a mixed blend mode of darken. For the after, it's pretty similar. Just set a background color that's going to blend with the darker tones of your image and set a mixed blend mode of lighten. One thing to keep in mind here is that the effect might not work perfectly for every color of the rainbow. For example, the colors chosen for your lighter and darker tones actually need to be lighter and darker when compared to each other. If you choose a color that's too light for your darker tones, you're not going to be able to see your image anymore and you're going to end up with just a solid color. There you go. Now you have your nice duotone effect created with just CSS. It should work for any image you throw at it, but make sure to always double check to see if your colors are not too light or too dark for the images that you have chosen. Thanks for watching the video, and if that information helped you in any way, please consider liking and subscribing. That's gonna help a lot and make more web development content keep coming.